So I know y'all done heard about this so-called food shortage that a lot of people believe is supposed to happen. Let me tell y'all about this. I hope it is a food shortage. That's right. You heard me loud and clear. I hope it is a food shortage. Let me tell you why I'm saying what I'm saying. I know a lot of y'all probably like, what the damn, this bitch, she shot with a goddess is cold. But nah, I'm not. I'm real. Let me tell y'all why I'm saying what I'm saying. You gotta remember this. Black people, you gotta remember, we don't need any food. We don't need to eat a damn thing other than that vitamin source D, aka they like to call it the sun. That's all we gotta eat. That's all we need, because that is what we are. We can survive and thrive off of pure sunlight and pure, clean, cosmic water. We just like the plants, y'all. See, this is how you know this beast has programmed us on so many different levels by giving us things like food. This stuff ain't no damn food. It's not. It's not food. They have disrupted our way of being as a people. Non-ether gods, we didn't used to eat. We were too busy creating and thriving and just doing so many things. We are divine, pure cosmic light. And the fact that we still have to eat is proving that we are not in our natural state. It's time to get back to our natural state of being. And that is where we don't have to eat. We don't have to eat. Eating these foods is lowering our vibrations. This is why niggas ain't doing magical things yet, because we're still associating and doing things like the beast do. That's why, amongst a lot of other different things as well, but that is a reason. We are plant life. We just like the plants outside, the real plants. Y'all know how the plants eat? I'm pretty sure y'all, the plants eat off of sunlight and water. You and the plants is no different, chosen one. It's no difference. Telling y'all. So, yeah. Like I said, I hope it is one. I hope it is a food shortage. So niggas can get their shit together. Let that DNA activate. Let that radiation do what it's supposed to do without these so-called foods interrupting and fucking up your melanin. Fucking up your DNA. Parasites and shit. So niggas better get ready and start, hey, it is what it is. Who knows what Mother Nature may do? She might shut this bitch down. And I hope she do. I hope she do. So us true souls can get back on code. Get back on code. And let these inorganics, we already know what's going on with them anyway, you know. We already know what's going on with them anyway, so they are non-factor. But for us, yeah, like, come on, y'all. It's time to thrive again. A lot of our old toxic ways have to leave. They have to leave. If we still want to do what we've been conditioned to do, that means we are still under the spell of this oppressor. Yeah, I don't even like calling it an oppressor. Yeah, of this beast. Because we are definitely free, but y'all feel what I'm saying. So let me just say this. Nature will always provide for us anyway. So nature will always do that. But like I said, I know for a fact that all of this overeating, all of this, these animals, and come on, y'all. That's parasitic energy going in your body. And then people wonder why they feel how they feel on a day-to-day basis. It's because of the toxic dead animals you're eating. You're putting dead flesh in your body, and then you're expecting to be happy or feeling good. You can't do that. You just ate something that was in fear and instilled with massive fear. So you're putting all of that fear and toxic energy in your own flesh. And then people wonder why they so fearful. They wonder why they so brainwashed. It's because you're eating dead animals. But anyway, I done talked about that numerous times on this channel. I ain't even gonna dive into that. It is what it is at this point. Either you're gonna get on code or you're not. Either you're gonna rise to the 5D or you're not. Either you're gonna become a god, tap into your godhood, or you're not. So yeah, anyway, that's my opinion on this so-called food shortage that people are, people losing. It's gonna be a food shortage. I don't give a damn. I hope it is one. So niggas can get back on code. Anyway, yeah, that's all I pretty much want to say, y'all. Just know that non-ether people, aka black people, we can survive, not even survive, we thrive off of sunlight. And we already know these UVC rays is hitting. Actually, your appetite should be decreasing. Actually, certain foods you used to eat, we eat chicken and steak, all of that, you shouldn't even be craving that shit. And if you do, chosen one, just know that shit is a spell. Don't fall for the spell. So your appetite should be decreasing because these foods not even hitting how they used to hit. That's because your natural, organic, energy and yourself is like, your light bulb is coming on like, what the fuck? Like, this is how y'all know they really got us fucked up. Like, they made us think that eating animals was cool. Like, that shit is nasty. That shit is nasty. That means you're eating something, this is a quote that my friends say, you're eating something that walk, talk, eat, sleep, shit, fuck. Animals do all of that. They just do it in their own way. So you're eating something that had so-called life. They do the same thing that you do. And you eating that? Ew, that's nasty. It's nasty. So anyway, just know it's time to break away from that shit. Because that is the biggest spell that this beast has put upon us gods. So it's time to let it go, y'all. Anyway, I ain't gonna talk too much longer. Just wanted to make this about this so-called food shortage. That may or may not happen. I don't know because it ain't happened yet. But me personally, like I said, the cows just got assassinated. These cows just got assassinated. These sheep, these chicken, so many factories and farms is getting shut down by the day. Y'all can look this stuff up. Like I said on another video, they only broadcast certain things. They don't tell, you got to go and research certain shit. But yes, a lot of chicken, a lot of factories, a lot of this shit is out of here. And it's going to happen over and over. This is how you know that nature doesn't want you eating this. Nature doesn't want you doing what you're doing. But nature also understand that a lot of niggas is still, tied into the beast. A lot of chosen ones, you know what I'm saying? I'm not judging. I'm just saying eventually we're going to have to let that shit go. A lot of different things. Not only food, a lot of different bad all that shit we're gonna have to let a lot of things go, y'all. This is the only way that we're gonna get back to being who we naturally are, which is the gods of this universe. So anyway, let me go and get out of here. Yeah, so till the next time, this is Shara the Goddess. Take care of yourself. I'm out. Peace.